Hello, today we will talk about very quick topic but very important. I will show you how to set up Unity 6 to fit the Google Play Console requirements that you can upload application or game created in Unity for Android platform. So like you saw in the beginning, you can download latest version from the web page. What we need to be sure, we need to mark app bundle for Google Play, and I'm also putting zip files. So this what you will see here is my private personal setup that I'm always using when I uploading the games in Unity 6. So color space linear, normal map encoding XY Z, low quality everywhere, just to be sure that battery will stay longer. Of course, Android API level up to you. I'm using 34 LCC, IL2 CCP, of course, RM47 64, and the rest of the setup. So this is and here, of course, this what you see here should be set up automatically when you will import AdMob package. What I also like to do, I like to do draw mode, sequential, and of course put made with Unity logo, because I'm using this tool for free right now. So I really like to be fair with that engine provider. Phone game, it will be portrait, and of course don't forget about the icon. So yeah, in quality I'm only picking mobile because that's the quality they need, and yeah, that's my default setup. So please take a look. If you like it, you can test it, you can try it, and of course you can advise if something is not correct. Thank you.